this has been a good lesson. This last few weeks has been quite astonishing, really, to think so many people would go out of their way to make me feel confident and loved. And this is what I feel. And you can't ask for more than that. I feel very privileged. Very privileged.
What the future holds, we're all in the mighty Lord's hands whenever He desires.
Exactly.
Yeah. Everything that happens in our life has its purpose, you know?
Yeah.
We go through stages and all preparation for the final journey, you could say.
Yeah.
It's like Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita. In the 8th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, text number 5, Krishna explains to Arjuna, whoever at the end of his life quits his body, remembering me alone, at once attains my nature. Of this there is no doubt.
Yeah.
Very nice, huh?
That's nice.
We've all got our spiritual bodies. We're just covered right now. That human life is to uncover ourselves. That's all.
That's all.
Cover us up in this life. Spiritual life is to help uncover us. So when we leave this body, we're not covered.
Yeah.
We're not covered. All kinds of entanglements and so on. Prabhupada writes in the purport, in this verse, the importance of Krishna consciousness is stressed. Anyone who quits his body in Krishna consciousness is at once transferred to the transcendental nature of the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord is the purest of the pure. Therefore, anyone who is constantly Krishna conscious is also the purest of the pure. With Smaran, remembering is important. Remembrance of Krishna is not possible for the impure soul who has not practiced Krishna consciousness in devotional service. Therefore, one should practice Krishna consciousness from the beginning of life. He may not have done that, but better late than never. If one wants to achieve success at the end of his life, the process of remembering Krishna is essential. Therefore, one should constantly, incessantly chant the Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Lord Chaitanya has advised that one must be as tolerant as a tree. Tolerance, patience, humility, respect for others. There may be so many impediments for a person who is chanting Hare Krishna. Nonetheless, tolerating all these impediments, one should continue to chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, I'm going to say is Haribol. Goodbye, everyone. And yes, goodbye, everybody. Take care of yourselves and just enjoy yourself in Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.